guys, welcome to my channel and thank you for watching this video. As you can already see from the title, and as many of you I guess are already aware, this channel has been monetized as from 3 weeks ago. Is it 3 weeks or 2? I think 2 weeks ago. Yeah, 2 weeks ago. And in the last episode of Nikauga, I mentioned that the channel had been accepted into the YouTube partner program. So these two things mean the same thing. For videos on a certain channel to be monetized, it has to be accepted into the YouTube partner program. And I'm saying accepted because you can apply for monetization and not be accepted. It's not guaranteed that you will make money through ads just because you are making YouTube videos. So in this video I wanted to walk you guys through my process, how long it took, what helped and such, just so that any of you who has a small YouTube channel can learn from my journey and hopefully you can also be monetized soon. Before I begin, if you are one of my old subscribers, man, thank you so much for subscribing, for watching my videos, for continuously liking my new videos every other week when I upload, and commenting and sharing. Without you guys doing that, honestly, like I said in the other video, we wouldn't be here today and this channel would not be doing as well as it's doing. So thank you so much. And now let's jump right into the meat of the video. What is monetization? Monetization is when YouTube plays adverts on videos. The advert may be placed in the beginning of the video, in the middle, or at the very end. And there are also other adverts like display ads where it will show up somewhere here while you're watching the video, and sometimes it will be right next to the next video in the playlist. YouTube pays creators a certain percentage, I think it's 55% of the ad revenue from the money that advertisers pay to advertise on YouTube. And now, for you to monetize your videos, your channel must be accepted into the YouTube partner program. For it to be accepted, you have to meet two requirements. The first requirement is to have more than 1,000 subscribers. Pretty self-explanatory. You just have to have 1,000 YouTube accounts subscribed to your YouTube channel. The second thing is that you have to have 4,000 public watch hours. So videos that are privated, watch hours from those videos do not contribute to this 4,000 hours. And sometimes people hear this 4,000 hours and they think it's an easy requirement to meet. It's not an easy requirement to meet. I will tell you right now. It is not. I struggled. For my channel, I was able to meet the 1,000 subscriber requirement after about a year plus. After getting to 1,000 subscribers, I was left now struggling to get views. Okay, the thing is, most people do not watch videos here on YouTube to the very end. Like if you upload a 15-minute long video, people will only watch it for like 4 minutes, 5 minutes. So you can calculate and see if you are getting only like let's say 700 views in a day, and people have only watched your videos for about 5 minutes. 700 times 5, what does that give you? 3,500 minutes. So you can imagine how many days you need to get to 4,000 hours. And you know, this 4,000 watch hour requirement is for the last 12 months. When you go to the YouTube studio, when you're checking your analytics, you will select 365 days to see how far you are. That's the second requirement. Once you have attained 1,000 subscribers and you have 4,000 public watch hours, you will be able to apply for monetization. To apply for monetization, you will go on the YouTube studio to the left side where you have the different tabs like content, analytics, blah blah blah. One of them is monetization. So you click on monetization. Only once you've met those requirements will that button like be blue saying apply now. Is it blue or green? Then you will click on that button to apply. For my channel, the 3-step process took a relatively short time, because they were saying it could take even 15 days to 3 weeks. Mine took like 3 days. So the first step is to accept the terms and conditions. The second step is for you to link your channel with a Google AdSense account. YouTube will not be able to pay you if you do not have a Google AdSense account. You can link your channel with an existing Google AdSense account, but if you do not have a Google AdSense account, then at that stage you can create a Google AdSense account. For me, that process took a day because the first step I completed in a few hours, and then I moved on to the next step, keyed in all the details and address information that was required, and then just submitted my application to create a new AdSense account. Then a day after, I got an email confirmation that my Google AdSense account had been created and linked to my YouTube channel. Okay, that step is not up to you as a creator to initiate. That will be initiated by the system itself. Human beings working at YouTube actually review your channel to see if it meets the community guidelines and it's fit for monetization. So that step took another day. A day or a day and a few hours, I can't remember. So the whole process for me took like 3 days. And on the 23rd of January 2021, my channel was accepted. That was about 1 year and a half later. Some people take 3 months to get monetized, and some people take 1 year, some people take even 3 years. Like, every YouTube channel's journey is different. So if you are currently struggling with this, just be patient. If you created your channel just to make money, especially with YouTube adverts, struggle. But there is hope. If I did it, you can do it too, because I felt like I had reached a point where I had given up, man. Like, especially with the watch hours. Damn. Let me now talk about 3 things. The 3 things that I feel like helped my channel to get to this point, or the 3 things that I wish I knew earlier that would have helped me to get here faster. The first thing is to stay consistent and upload more frequently. When you're a new creator on YouTube and people don't know you, like you don't have a huge Instagram audience or TikTok audience or whatever audience, YouTube will not start to share your videos very widely. So the more videos you upload, the more likely it is for your channel to be shown to more people. And also, the more videos you upload, the more the watch hours you are getting on your channel, which is a good thing, like we've said. The cons might be if you upload like daily. Can you imagine uploading daily on YouTube? First of all, video quality might be bad, especially if you don't have like a team of producers, editors and what. Another thing, you might lose subscribers. For those who have already subscribed to your channel, your videos will be on their subscriptions page, right? And can you imagine every time they open their subscriptions page, there's a video of yours, 1 to 3 videos. So they cannot see the other videos that they are interested in watching. They might unsubscribe not because they hate you, but because they want to also like free their subscriptions page. So the thing is to find a balance. Like, I think 3 or 2 uploads in a week is a good place to start. The second thing is, don't try too hard to be unique. Do trendy things on YouTube. When I started my channel, my goal was to do mukbang videos. First of all, I can only imagine how much weight I would have gained by now, but also that was not content that was popular in this region of the world. Correct me if I'm wrong. So my channel was standing out too much at that time. You want to bring something unique to the platform, but also join in on the trends. For me and for many people, I think, when we start these channels, we don't know, we are not sure where we will settle, which niche we will settle in. So try, experiment with different things and see what will do better on your channel. And once you find that thing, create a playlist. The issue with not niching down and also maybe just doing trending topics all the time is people normally subscribe like after watching the second video. If they never find another interesting video on your channel, it's unlikely that they will subscribe. The final thing that I'm going to share with you guys that I wish I knew like maybe in the beginning of last year is to share your videos and to share your content widely. Maybe not content, maybe share the links. Yeah, tell people about your channel, share links on your other social media platforms, share links in groups in WhatsApp. Like share. Don't assume that people are already aware that you have a YouTube channel. Every opportunity you get, share. But I would not advise you to share the links directly with people. Don't spam all of the conversations on your WhatsApp. Okay? Don't DM everyone asking them to subscribe. Don't go in the comment sections of people's videos telling people, oh, sub for sub. Don't do that. Look for an organic way to slip in the fact that you have a YouTube channel into the conversation. Try to target people who would be interested in the kind of videos that you do. In the last year, I created a TikTok account during lockdown, as many other people did. Probably you are one of them. Whenever I do a live stream on TikTok, I'll be like, hey guys, by the way, if you love watching my videos, you might be interested in checking out my YouTube channel. The link is on my profile. Just go check it out, support me. And this is the one tip that helped me the most to meet the YouTube partner program requirements. Okay, so share. Get snippets from your YouTube videos, post it on Instagram Reels, post it on TikTok, post it on Facebook, and be sure to call your audience to action. Guys, go subscribe, go watch it. One last bonus tip that I would share with you guys is to avoid using copyrighted content. You see, like the way you add background music to your videos, don't use the most popular bongo song. If you want to monetize your videos on YouTube, if it receives a copyright claim or a copyright strike, you either won't be able to post that video publicly or you won't be able to monetize that video. That concludes everything that I wanted to say in this video. If you have any questions about the monetization process or my experience with this whole thing, just leave them in the comments below. I'll be sure to converse with you guys down there. If you are new here, please check out my other videos and consider subscribing. Definitely like this video and share it with other people who might be interested in learning more about the monetization process on YouTube. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan. Your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be sour.